To create this type of video where the characters will be talking is very easy to create, except you don't know how to do it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to learn how you are going to be creating videos like this where the characters will be talking. Even though they have more than 3 or more than 5 characters on that video, everybody will be talking and they will be talking perfectly and without wasting much of your time. Let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can start creating amazing videos like this where the characters will be talking using your smartphone. You don't need laptop to do this. With your smartphone, you can also do this. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do to generate that type of video is just to go to Chatgpt. Now on Chatgpt, make sure you explain your video to Chatgpt, how you want your video idea. Now this is what I gave to Chatgpt. As you can see, I said 3 girls in a living room. One is sitting on the bed and the other one is sitting on a seat. Seat. I wanted to write seat. And one is standing. The one standing is wearing blue clothes. The one sitting in the chair is wearing white clothes. And the one sitting on the bed is wearing red clothes. They were discussing about the guy they met last night in the party. The girl sitting in the bed said, "Guys, this guy I met yesterday, that guy is so rich. The guy said he loved me." So just write your story. This is how I want my story, how I want everything. And after that, ChatGPT decided to write it for me. As you can see, 3D pizza style 3D animation, because I add it that it should write 3D pizza animation. So as you can see, you just indicate that you want 3D pixel animation video and it's going to write it for you. Now, as you can see, this is the storyline, this is the character design, everything. I've shown you guys how you can do this. If you have not watched that video I made about this, you should go and watch that video. Now, as you can see, this is our master prompt image here, and this is our second image. This is our third image. That is the character, Nina. Now, this is our scene 1 here, the girl, the last in living room. So you can see this will come down here. When we come down here, this is the image prompt. 3 young women in a cozy modern living room set at 9. One girl wearing red sitting. So we'll just copy this one right now. Just copy this image prompt. Now, after we copy the image prompt, the next thing we are going to do is just to generate this image. So we'll be using Flow AI to generate our image and also use Flow AI to generate our image to video. So just go to your browser and you search for Flow AI. You are going to see it like this. This first one here, this one here, Google Labs Flow. You click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface like this. Then you click on Create with Flow. As you can see, Create with Flow. You click on it. Now when you click on Create with Flow, is going to bring you to an interface like this. So if you have not registered account with them before, it will ask you to register. But if you have registered account with them before, you don't need to register again. And the next thing you have to do is to click on new project. Here, you click on this new project. And when you click on this new project, it's going to load. And it will bring you to an interface like this. Then you are going to see where it says nano banana below here. You tap on it. So you put it on image because we are generating image. Now, if you want to generate image for like for the video you want to generate, if it's video you want to post on your Facebook or your TikTok, you put it on 9.16 here. But if you want to upload your image on YouTube, you leave it at 16 point now. So I'm going to put it in 9.16 here, and coming back, I'm going to paste my prompt here. After pasting my prompt, the next time I'm going to click on generate here. Now, this is the image. As you guys can see, this is the image, just like I described it. I say the one sitting on the bed should be wearing red, the one standing should be wearing blue, and the one sitting on the seat should be wearing white. This is the way I describe it. I just need to click on this up here, and I'll click on 1K to download it to my phone. Now it has downloaded. I can decide to turn this to video. And to turn this to video, I'll just go back. Now, after coming back, the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on this nano banana here, and you click on video. You see video here, you click on this video, and your frame should be 9.16 because that is our image already. Then the next thing, you click on this start button here, and this is the image. As you can see, this is the image up here. You just tap on the image. Now you need to copy your prompt. That is the dialogue. Now what you need to do, just come back here As you can see, this is everything here. Now, as you can see, dialogue lip syncing. I've prompt everything on my master prompt. So you just copy everything like this. Everything. ChatGPT is going to write everything for you with the dialogue. You just copy everything. You copy it like this. You copy it below. Just copy it with the camera movement, as you can see, and camera direction. You copy everything. You copy it down. You copy everything. Everything is well dictated. So you just copy it. You go back to the AI to here, and you are going to paste it. Everything you copy right now. After pasting it, you click on generate here, and you are going to generate the video. Next thing we are going to do is to head over to this AI tool. It's a free AI tool you can use to generate your video. Now, just go back to on your browser. Just search for thank you AI. It is called thank you AI. This is it here. This first one you are seeing here. If you have not registered on the AI tool, you go and register. As you can see, thank you AI. You click on it. Now, when you click on it, you are going to see it's going to open like this. If you have not registered, it will ask you to register. And after you register, they are going to give you free credit. As you can see, you click on start creating. Now, if you have not registered, it will ask you to register. So I have account with them before. I just need to log in. As you can see, I have 100 credit right now. Just register a new account. They are going to give you 100 credit. Now, just go back. Now, after you go back, you are going to see where it says gene video gene. You tap on this video gene, then you select this one here, then you put it on test, or you put it test and you select here where you are going to select your aspect ratio. Make sure you put it on 9 resolution to be 720. Your duration, you can leave it in 6 seconds, you can put it on 10 seconds, depend on the one you want. But the more you put the second and duration 6 seconds or 10 seconds, the more credit you are going to use. Now, after you do that, you select this icon here, this icon here, this one that is here like this. You can select different type of AI model. They have different type of AI model. As you can see, they have Claim 3.0, they have Cadence 2, they have all of them. They have different type, VO3, VO1, all of them, you are going to see them here. Even Allo AI, you are going to see them. And anyone you choose has its own credit. As you can see, everyone you choose has its own credit. So if you don't want you to spend much credit, you can choose Cadence 1.5. As you can see, Cadence 1.5 here. Than 1.5 Pro, you see it here, you tap on it. So this one consume less credit. As you can see, if I'm using 10 seconds, 6 credit to generate this video. So if I come back here, I can just extend it to 10 seconds. I want to create it in 10 seconds. Then I'll put aspect ratio 6.9. Then after that, the next thing is to upload my image. Let me upload my image. Let me go back and upload my image. As you can see, image here, you click on upload. This is the image here. Now, the image is uploading. Now, this is the image. The next thing you click on, you paste your prompt here and you click on generate. We have set everything already. Now,
guys, this guy I met yesterday at the party is so rich.
now you have seen everything, how you are going to use your smartphone to start creating amazing videos like this, which you can be posting on your social media account like your Facebook, TikTok, and also YouTube. And it can be monetized and you'll be making some cool cash from it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.